Hello, welcome to BTH. In this video I show you how to make your Windows 11 computer look like Mac OS. I have 5 steps to change the look of Windows 11. Step 1. I changed the icons on Windows 11 such as folders, drives. Here I set the brightness mode. You will be asked to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After reboot you will see the icons have changed a lot. The most noticeable is that the drive icon and the folder icon have been changed. The max and min buttons on Mac OS and Windows are very different, so I'll change them. This is step 2 of the change. Change the max and min buttons on Windows 11 to look like Mac OS. You copy the files to the folder named Themes in the System partition of Windows 11. Windows Resources Themes. You copy 2 files in a folder. Before changing the button shapes, you install as above and restart the computer. After restarting your computer, install the patches as above. You install the 2 patches just added in the previous step. Now you apply the patch to change the shape of the max and min buttons on Windows 11. Notice that the buttons have changed shape just like on Mac OS. The buttons are spaced further apart than on Mac OS. Next is to change the dock. As you know, the dock on Windows 11 and Mac OS is very different. You don't change the Windows 11 dock, you hide it. Then you create a new dock for Windows 11 computers. This new dock has the same shape as Mac OS. You copy the folder named Dock to the System partition of Windows 11. Next, you create a shortcut for this tool. Next, you add the newly created shortcut to the Windows 11 Startup folder to make sure it is always visible at System Startup. This is the default dock. You can customize it a bit to resemble macOS. Pretty similar to macOS, isn't it? For a Windows 11 computer to look like macOS, a suitable wallpaper is indispensable. You change the wallpaper of Windows 11. Completed 4 steps, now the last step, change cursor. You install the theme for the cursor. After completing the installation, you change the theme for the cursor. Your cursor will look a lot like the one on macOS. So I have completed 5 steps to make my Windows 11 computer look like macOS. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and help me 10,000 subscribe. You restart the computer to apply the changes.